everybody. Scrapping with Grandpa. And we are headed to the yard. So, check it out. In this video, there's going to be a little bit of scrapping. A little bit of what me and Paul did today. And then whatever happened at the yard this afternoon. So, hope you enjoy the video. And if you do, please slam that like button. If you're not a subscriber, we'd love to have you on board. Not always scrapping, but for the most part, I got a scrapping channel. And every once in a while, I just kind of bring you guys along with me on my daily chores, I guess we call it. So stick around. I hope you enjoy it. Moving along. We got the sun and the moon. Look at it spinning. Just kidding, the moon don't spin. Before you put your 4x4 post in the ground, don't worry about all them fancy YouTube videos that you're seeing. Do this, do that. I'm gonna tell you, if you don't do this first, forget about it. That's it. So while we were at Lowe's this morning picking up material for my steps, because I'm rebuilding my steps along with my fence that you've been probably seen me working on, me and Paul. I went to Lowe's to pick up that material, and then the lady in the register said, "Hey, you're picking up scrap metal, aren't you?" I said, "Yeah." She said, "Well, I got some stuff at my house." So the lady called me, found my sticker on my trash can. So that paid off with them 2 items. And I'm sure there's $5 worth of money in that machine. Tip it, Paul. Let them hear it. There's some money in there, son. Yeah. So we got money. So she found my sticker on a trash can. This lady worked in the register, knew that I did scrapping. Told me she had some stuff here. So yeah, I'm here to grab it. Paul and I. We're going out of town, by the way. Just want to let everybody know we are going out of town. We're going to Dunn, North Carolina, to do one of the rubber roofs that we do on my other channel. So anybody that goes to my other channel will be able to see us doing a new rubber roof we haven't done for a long time. 2 years now, Paul, since our last one. That's one of them stackables right there that has that concrete in the bottom of it. That thing is heavy. Oh yeah, she's heavy. Yeah, they put a bunch of concrete in that thing.
That's $7.
Yeah, $7 for concrete. I'm surprised they even take it. We decided to go ahead and get this project started. So, like I said, we were at Lowe's picking up materials for this. Out with the old, in with the new. It's 420 somewhere, Paul.
Right. They're coming.
We carried this washing machine out of the I mean dryer, out of the storage building this lady had. As soon as we tipped it up, we heard money.
Money everywhere.
More money than I'd ever probably
More money everywhere.
found in a dryer. And it was just tipping everywhere. You probably tip it back and get some, and then some of it's going to hit up there. Oh my God, look at all the money. Money everywhere, Paul. You made it. You're going to go to the bank today.
Oh, I got money you can't get.
More. There's more in there. Look, there's a bunch of pennies over here and dimes. Probably have to tip it this way. I don't even know if we're...
You got a battery.
Huh? Battery. Somebody's battery. What was in the dryer? There's still money in there, bud. Yeah. But some of it, you know, is in there that's falling against the backboard right there, maybe. Right?
Nope. I found one. I heard one somewhere. Yeah,
can't get to that one. Tip it towards the front. Oh, yeah, there's all kinds of money over there. Paul said, I get that.
Get some modifying going on.
Get the modifying.
It's got the move, man.
Squeeze it. Oh, yeah, you got that money. You got that money. Get that money, Paul. That's the best way to tip it, probably. Now that you cut that, tip it that way, there's got to be more in there. Damn, that's a piggy bank right there.
I gotta split my way.
Piggy bank.
They're gonna get more money out of more sports and shit than voice for. You get more than $3, that's what the washing machine was.
You hear that, guys? Just to translate, you're gonna get more money in change than what the washing machine is worth. That's what Paul said just now.
Oh, that's a money penny.
Money penny.
Yeah, that's a money penny.
Money. All right, let's tip it. I say tip it your way. Is that it, Paul? That's a good little load, I ain't gonna lie. If I would have brought the dryer in at about 40 pounds, 7 cents a pound shred, I get about $3 for that thing. We found over $7 worth of change. So we made pretty good on that one. $10 dryer. $10 dryer right there, baby. Right after we finished our stairs, I got a phone call. Somebody on Woodcrest said, if you want some metal, I got some metal. Not sure how they found out about me either. I advertised, so anyway, heading to Woodcrest, see what they got. Pull out the camera for the Woodcrest project. So yeah, I got done with Paul. Paul headed home. I'm sitting here at the scrapyard. Got all my straps off, getting ready to go through the yard and see how we did today. I had to get this gone. Remember, guys, I'm going out of town. Paul and I are leaving Sunday. We're going to Dunn, North Carolina, and we'll be there for about 5 days. So if you want to see where we're at and what we're doing, come check me out at Drew's Roofing and Home Repair right here on YouTube, and you'll be able to keep up with us all week. I am going to try to do a live video while I'm there, just maybe looking around the area, so stick around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you're notified. You don't want to miss it. We got a little bit of goodness here. Let's go ahead and get this through the yard. Over there. Get that whole thing. Look at there. Rip that thing off that trailer. You want to see if there's any magnetic on it. See if it's stainless. It'd be dirty stainless if it was. Yep, must be. He's putting it in the bin. Dirty stainless. my friend. Oh yeah. One more time. One more time. Get a hopper. Just some dirty aluminum back here today, guys. Dirty. All right, brother. Got you. Couple pieces of dirty aluminum. How's it going, brother? Beautiful day. Beautiful day. We ain't got much, just a little bit of dirty aluminum. Get rid of today. Yeah, I'm guessing my grandson's in school today. I think school's still going on, ain't it?
We gotta complain. We ain't been getting our royalty checks from YouTube.
Go. What do we do? £38 irony aluminum. There he is. Huh? No, it's one of my old ones. All right, so this little load, really, literally, we did in between working on the fence and building my stairs at my place. Just doing some small repair jobs. Can't do them all at once. It costs so much money, so I try to do my repairs and my maintenance around my house kind of a little bit at a time or as it happens, because if you let it go too far, it will take you forever and a ton of money to fix. So anyway, so today this is just scrap metal we picked up in between doing that. $67.50. Blessed. We had 900 pounds and we had, wow, 38 pounds of irony aluminum. Heavy irony aluminum, actually, is what they called it. And we got $9.50 for that. So Grandpa's blessed. I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing tomorrow. I'm picking up materials from my other project. We're leaving Sunday, Paul and I, to go do a rubber roof. So like I said, come join me over there on Drew's Roofing and Home Repair channel. And you'll get to see what we're doing next week, because I'll be posting videos of that project daily. So come check us out, Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, right here on YouTube. And we'll see you there, or be square. What's next? What's next? What's next? Scrapping with Grandpa.